Bilang isang Pilipino ay masasabi po talaga natin na ito talagang si 3-Division World Champion John Rael Cuadro alias Casimero, ang isa sa mga pinakamahuhusay at malakas natin na pambato sa palakasan na kung tawagin ay ang boxing, na kung saan ay nagawa lang naman ito ang maging tanyag sa Pilipinas dahil sa mga mababangis na pag-aangas na lumalabas sa kanyang mga salita. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit siya hinirang bilang pambansang angas ng Pinas. Ngayon ay hindi lang naman angas ang mayroon ng ating kababayan na ito, dahil sa mayroon din talagang mapagmamayabang ang ating kababayan sa kanya ngayong palakasan na kinahumalingan, na kung saan nga po'y nagagawa nitong matibag ang kanyang mga nakakalaban sa lakas ng suntok na kanyang pinakakawalan. Nagumapaw ang kumpiyansa ni Casimero sa kanyang lakas na basta lumapat ito sa katawan ng kanyang kalaban ay sigurado ko nung mababaklas ang ulo ng kanyang kalaban kung ito ay direktang matatamaan ng kanyang suntok na pinagmamayabang. Ganito lang naman kung mag-angas itong si Casimero, mga idol, tuwing siya ay may nabibintong laban. Kaya lamang ay may laban kasi itong si Casimero na talaga namang nagpalabas sa natatagong kahinaan ng ating kababayan. At ito na nga, ay nung makakalaban na po nito ang two-time gold medalist na si Guillermo El Chacal Rigondo, na kung saan hindi naipatama ni Casimero ang kanyang mga naglalakasang suntok nung ang kalaban ay gumagamit sa lawak ng ring at talagang literal na tumatakbo sa laban. At dahil nga sa isang flat-footed itong si Casimero, ay kaya naman hindi nito mailapat ng husto ang kanyang mga malalakas na suntok sa kalaban. Pero iba ang itinakbo ng laban, nang ito na pong si Vincent de Acero Astrolabio na ang lumaban kay Rigondo. Ito po'y dahil sa nagawa lang naman itong si Vincent Astrolabio na mapatamaan ng mailag at tumatakbo na kalaban gamit ang bilis nitong kanyang paggalaw. Naunawaan po kasi agad itong si Acero na kung aabangan niya lamang itong si Rigondo ay maaring ang kalaban talaga ang magdikta sa tinatakbo ng laban. Kaya naman kakaibang footwork ang ginawa nitong si Acero para sa gayon nga ay madapuli ang kanyang mailap at tumatakbong kalaban. Si Acero ay may kasalukuyang kartada na 19 na panalo, may 4 na talo at may 14 na nanakaut sa kanyang 19 na naipanalong mga laban. Minsan na po napasabak sa isang world title fight ang ating kababayan na ito, kaya lamang ay nabigo itong si Astrolabio na makuha ang kanyang kauna-unahang titulo. Wala na agad ng malalakas na kombinasyon itong si Astrolabio. Alam ng ating kababayan na si Acero na medyo mailap patamaan itong si Rigondo. Kaya naman ay kailangan niyang bilisan ang kanyang paggalaw at sa paggawa ng suntok para matamaan ang kanyang kalaban, na kung saan ay umuubra naman ito dahil sa nagagawa niyang mapatamaan ng husto ang kanyang kalaban.
I think that good start from the first round.
I would give him the first round. But man, this is Rigondo.
Second round.
Nice back. Of course, he's respecting his opponent's power.
Vincent.
Nice body shot.
Good at coming from good.
Good job. Whoa.
Good job. Cannot step in with it.
You see,
Like he was doing warm up for my side. Like he can change the
right now. You see,
Oh,
good defense, good beautiful defense.
yeah, maybe like this his strategy, like give one round and take
All of this. Vincent, he can't get pressure defensive fighter.
Round
number
three.
Good job, Vincent.
Guillermo, you know, like
Too slick for
too
that.
slick for that.
Good shot from Vincent. Good uppercut from Vincent. Good
Go for one power punch. You should like for that, and if he have seen
Nicholas.
whatever he's doing, to be honest,
Yeah.
from the first round, just keeping his jab and keeping it.
You see, Vincent is hesitant to come in. Beautiful. I think Rigondeaux is still playing.
Oh,
Good
nice
shot.
back.
Good body shot from Rigondeaux. He has good power, you can see from There we go.
No, Filipino.
Our home country fighter.
But you know there was one song.
Rigondeaux, good job. Nice try by Vincent.
Oh,
Beautiful. Good. Oh, good counter by
Not leaving any chance.
Oh, good shot.
oh,
Good hook.
good job.
Love.
Predict.
Good counter
Good
shot.
job.
See from before.
Full work.
Last instant.
Oh, try. Wow.
Yeah. Let's go to the film.
Round number 5. There we go. People's fighter.
The fight is. Oh, good shot.
But you see,
Good job from.
good. It's a killer movement. You
Just watching the right time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
See?
For so long, man.
Fighting.
Using that feint. Oh,
Oh,
good.
Guillermo. Have
Look
a
at
good
that.
push.
In boxing, don't forget that.
Yeah, bro.
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, good shot. Good shot from Rigondeaux. Very precise. Rigondeaux is throwing the more precise. They're not landing more.
Here we go, round number 6.
Both boxers.
Oh,
Good
oh.
job.
Good shots from
From March.
March first. No.
Nice ring craft.
An amazing show.
They're enjoying the event.
You see, Vincent is a bit hesitant to come onto him.
Like,
He's gonna get caught. Oh, you see, either the body shot, the uppercut. Look, you see. Beautiful. Round number 7. The crowd.
Oh,
Good exchange from both fighters.
what a very nice.
that one I was saying, like Rigondeaux is wetting.
Shot.
Yeah.
Good. Oi. Oh.
Man at work.
No, that was. Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot from Vincent.
like
He's
him
not
not-
facing him, no. Oh, good. Oh. Hey, unbelievable.
It's
It's
still,
something
like same, like oh.
since he was young. Yeah. Great. Oh, Vincent. Oh.
Oh, turn to me. Of this gentleman here, yeah? He's always trying to.
Just trying to be slick with something. Oh, nice job from Vincent. Nice body.
Like Vincent is trying to give shot, but nice overhand.
Job from.
They're patient. Oh, nice hook.
For round number 8, they both are patient. They both are watching each other. Watching it.
Oh, shot. That was a good shot down the line. Good attack.
I guess that Vincent was looking for this for a long time. Oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly.
oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly. Oh, he's still.
oh. 20 more seconds, guys.
Careful, and Rigondeaux is
Oh. Oh. He needs to survive.
round number 9 between
Rigondeaux.
Rigo and one of the best upcoming, and
Oh, good shot. Covered.
yeah, still trying.
He's known to be a doctor in boxing.
Like Vincent is still.
Shot from Vincent. Oh, good shot
Good
from
job from Rigondeaux. Let's go to the 9th round.
Oh, good shot.
Well, I think like Rigondeaux is come back.
He's recovered from that.
Against to go to the
Number 10. Last round.
round number 9. Round number 10.
As you can see, like crowds are.
Beautiful.
Oh, a nice one too. Rigondo has an unpredictable.
Good body shot. Oh, good movement. Yeah.
Two more pressure. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, good
job,
shot.
Rigondo.
Turn around.
Good body.